I can never say enough good things about Fred Clark at Sunset Valley Orchids. I ordered some orchids from him in June and they shipped in July after the 4th of July holiday. And then I noticed about a week after I got them that they were, a few of them, like 3 or 4 were turning black. And so I went on vacation. I just kept watching them. I went on vacation, and when I came back from vacation, 3 of them were clearly dead. And so I didn't know, it's about a month has gone by at this point. Didn't know if they were still under, shipping warranty. And so I wrote Fred last week, and he immediately just said that he'd send me replacements. So if you were seeing my previous video from today, I had a Mark Jones crossed Babantier that's also suffering a little bit of black rot. It didn't look quite so bad last week. And I actually I forgot to catalog a bunch of my orchids from my February order. So I actually have 4 of those. Only one of them looks kind of sick. I can't actually find the other 3 in this. I found 2. So there's one somewhere in the greenery. I don't know where it is, but I did not ask for that one to be replaced. I asked for just 3 to be replaced. They were in the front of the video, and they were just clearly like all dead. The rot was definitely in the pseudobulbs. But anyway, so I wrote them last week, and today my replacements are here. So this is Cattleyas Comet's Tail by Mariba Tiger, right here. That died. And then let's see. And both of the ones of these that I had ordered died. It's Comet's Tail, 5 tails crossed to Leopoldii, right here. So this should be the other one. And I don't know, they got black, didn't like me, I guess. Because I had ordered there were like 14 others in the order, and they're fine. It was just these guys. And they weren't all in the same place. They're in different locations in my growing space. So I really don't know why just those started turning black. So it wasn't like they're in a row or in a cluster or anything like that. I personally think it was because it was super hot back in July when they were shipping, and maybe they were sort of together in the same place in the box, and something happened. But anyways, Fred is amazing. He sent me replacements right away, and really, if you like Cattleyas, if you like bifoliates like I do, then there's no better place to order from than Sunset Valley Orchids.